In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to qualify for Robinhood options trading. If you've been curious about trading options on Robinhood, it's not something you can switch on instantly. You have to apply, and your access is determined by your profile. Think of it as a short onboarding that confirms you're a good fit for the risks involved. First, make sure the basics are covered. You need a verified Robinhood account and a linked bank account. Then you'll complete the options application inside the app. Options aren't enabled by default, so you'll explicitly request access. This application is where Robinhood gathers the information it uses to make its decision. Robinhood looks closely at your trading experience. If you've bought and sold stocks or ETFs before, that helps demonstrate familiarity with the markets. Prior options experience, if you have it, also matters. In general, more experience increases your chance of approval because it suggests you understand order types, volatility, and how positions move. Next, they assess your financial situation. You'll share your income, net worth, and liquid assets. Liquid assets are funds you can access quickly, like cash or short-term investments. This isn't about judging you. It's about confirming you can handle potential losses, since options can move quickly and dramatically. Your investment goals and risk tolerance are also key. You'll indicate whether you're focused on growth, income, or speculation, and whether your risk tolerance is low, medium, or high. Because options carry higher risk, very conservative profiles may be declined. Answer honestly and consistently with your real objectives. You may also see a brief knowledge check. Expect questions about calls and puts, potential risk scenarios, and basic strategies. The goal is to confirm you understand what you're doing, especially concepts like how a call can expire worthless or how a short position can carry substantial risk. If approved, Robinhood assigns an options level. Most people start at level 2, which allows you to buy calls and puts, sell covered calls when you own the shares, and sell cash-secured puts when you have the cash set aside. More advanced users may qualify for level 3, which includes spreads and multi-leg strategies like iron condors or butterflies. Higher levels typically require deeper experience and a higher risk tolerance. Finally, know the restrictions. Cash accounts can't access level 3. You must be approved before placing any options trades. And remember, options are high risk and not suitable for everyone. Take your time, learn the mechanics, and only proceed if the risks make sense for you.